Legitimate. Work from home jobs. Without experience. Working from home, is it really all it's cracked up to be? As someone who has worked from home for over 30 years, I have to say that it can be a blessing. When you start looking for legitimate work from home jobs for extra money and you start to apply yourself to them. It's not every day that people get to work from home. Some people would like to try their hand at it and just aren't sure if the jobs posted are real or if they are about to encounter a scam. This is why you need to count on someone you know, like and trust. Now, you may not want to rush out and just ask your mother's best friend if you can find a nice work from home job because due to her lack of knowledge in this field she will assure you that it's a scam. You can't do it because you do not possess the work ethic or some other excuse. The reality of it is because she doesn't know, she'll just tell you it's a scam and that it can't be done. Trust me, I know. How do I know? Simple, my mother, my brother, my sister and every family member I have ever known assured me that I could not be in business for myself when I started 30 years ago. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. If you still feel that you can't land legitimate work from home jobs for extra money, I challenge you to change your thinking. What is that old saying, if you think you can't you're right, and if you think you can, you are also right. The problem as I see it is that too many people have been scammed and think that these types of real opportunities just aren't really there. This is simply not true. When you know what you are looking for and where to get it, it is much easier than you realize. Never let anyone tell you that legitimate work from home jobs for extra money can't be found. The reality is that they tell you that because they don't know how to find them. Who do you want to listen to? Let's say you want to plant a garden. Your neighbor is right next door, has a beautiful garden and owns a garden supply center. The neighbor on the other side of the street owns an auto body shop and has 15 junk cars in his driveway and no garden. Which neighbor do you ask for gardening advice? Of course, you said the neighbor with the garden who runs the garden center. So, who do you ask for advice when it comes to legitimate work from home jobs for extra money? Do you ask the person who has never done it? Of course not. Don't let the people with negative thoughts get you down. You can find legitimate work from home jobs for extra money anytime you want to look for them. They are very easy to find and you can build a business around using them. I know because I've done it. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.